Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. And in this video today, I have discussed some mains level questions on English for your SBI Clerk Mains and RRB PO Mains. And also if you want the PDF of this session, then please join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. So let's begin the session. Now this is the first question. Here you have two sentences A and B and you need to connect these two sentences using phrases 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now these phrases can come anywhere in the sentence. So this is a question of conjunction, not starters. Okay. Now let's see. There was a time when elders were regarded as living gods. This means there was a time when elders were respected. Okay. B says the culture of respecting elders has largely diminished and they are being thought of as a burden. So B says that elders are not respected. So this one says elders are respected. This one says elders are not respected. Right? Not respected. So these two sentences are opposite sentences. We can also say these two sentences are contradictory ideas. Okay. So if these two sentences give contradictory ideas, then you must use contradictory connectors over here. Look at the first one. The first one says while there was. Yes, while can be used as a contradictory connector. So while there was a time when elders were regarded as living gods, the culture of respecting elders has largely diminished and they are being thought of as a burden. Next, however. Yes, however can be used as a contradictory connector. There was a time when elders were regarded as living gods. However, the culture of respecting elders is largely diminished. Consequently. Now, consequently is a word which means as a result, as a consequence. So, this conjunction can be used for showing cause-effect relationship. Okay. Here we do not have any cause-effect relationship, so we will not use this connector. We will use just 1 and 2. So, our answer is option B. Next question says the enormity of the challenge of conservation of ecology and halting climate change is formidable. Formidable means, what is the meaning of formidable? Formidable means intimidating, something that causes fear. Okay. Intimidating, causing fear. Please note this down. The enormity of the challenge of conservation of ecology, which means that the challenge of conservation of ecology and stopping climate change is huge. Enormity means huge. And that's why this challenge is intimidating. This challenge causes fear. We must move towards building fresh sensitivities for conservation in our civilization process. Now tell me, why should we build fresh sensitivities? Why should we build fresh sensitivities? Why? The answer is that we should build fresh sensitivities for conservation because the challenge of conservation is huge and it is intimidating. That's why we should build. So these two sentences give you a relationship of reason. Right? These two give you reason. So which one is giving you reason? The first one gives reason for the second sentence. Okay. So here, let's see. Since the enormity of the challenge. So since the enormity of the challenge of conservation of ecology and halting climate change is formidable, we must move towards building fresh sensitivities for conservation. So since is used for giving reason, so this one can be used. Therefore is for conclusion. So the enormity of the challenge of conservation of ecology and halting climate change is formidable. Now, what is the conclusion from here? The conclusion is that we must build build fresh sensitivities for conservation. So we can use therefore. Therefore, we must move towards building fresh sensitivities. So this can also be used. As the enormity, again, as is used for giving reasons, so this can be used. So your answer is all 1, 2 and 3. Next. The migrant workers had to flee after the announcement of the lockdown. States from where the migrant workers have moved out had to raise wages due to severe shortage of labor. Now the migrant workers had to flee. Flee means they went away. They went away. Suppose the migrant workers were working in Chennai. Let's say they were working in Chennai. So after the announcement of lockdown, they went away from Chennai to Bihar. They were all from Bihar, okay? They went to Bihar, right? Now, if there were 20 migrant workers initially, then 17 went to Bihar. Now, Chennai is left with only 3. Okay, so what will happen after that? After that, the state will have to increase the wages of these laborers because there is a shortage of labor. So everything is demand and supply. The demand is more, the supply is less. So obviously the cost is going to increase. Now why this happened? Because of this. So the second incident is a result of the first incident. This is the consequence of the first. So the states have to raise wages due to shortage of labor. Now this one is a result. Result of what? Result of this lockdown. Result of the first one. Understood? So this is a consequence. If this is a consequence, you cannot use while, because while shows contradiction. No. Consequently, yes, consequently shows result, as a consequence. So this can be used as a result, can also be used. Now let's see. The migrant workers had to flee after the announcement of the lockdown. Consequently, states from where migrant workers have moved out had to raise wages. And then again, as a result, states from where they moved out had to raise wages. So both of these are correct, 2 and 3. So your answer is option D. Okay. Next is a question of fillers. So this is a double filler question. When bubbles burst, they cause a kind of financial earthquake, in turn dash public trust in the dash of the financial system. Now for approaching this question, the first thing that I will notice is this one, the. So the should be followed by a noun, okay? So here a noun must come, right? Now if we look at the second word, integrity is a noun, stability is a noun, but integrating is a verb. So clearly 3 is ruled out. If 3 is ruled out, this C, D and E, all these 3 options are incorrect. Okay, so when bubbles burst, they cause a kind of financial earthquake, in turn dash public trust in the dash of the financial system. In turn, so listen, financial earthquake means what? Financial earthquake means something that is disrupting the financial system, something that is destroying the financial system. So it will what? It will dash public trust. So it will reduce public trust. Reduce public trust. So in turn reducing public trust. So destabilizing. Destabilizing means what? Weakening. So weakening public trust is absolutely correct. Okay. So this one is correct. Eroding public trust. Eroding means what? Damaging, destroying. So this one is also correct. Okay, so in the first blank you can place either destabilizing or eroding. So both these words are correct. Next, in the dash of the financial system, in the integrity of the financial system, in the stability of the financial system. Yes, so public trust in the integrity or stability of the financial system is weakening. So both these words are correct. Okay, so your answer is 1 and 2. So option B is your answer. Very easy. Next, now here you have 3 sentences and each sentence has 2 words. You have to select the correct word in each sentence. Okay, so let's look at the sentences. Asteroids are the remnants means what? Remains of dash, of collisions or collisions between some of the first mini planets that formed in abundance when the solar system was no older than a few million years. So how asteroids were formed? There were some mini planets, okay, and a clash happened between them. Okay, a clash happened. So these 2 planets, they collided, clashed. Okay, then again they clashed with another planet. So in this way they clashed and they broke, right? And the remains were called asteroids. Understood? So here what should come? Asteroids are the remnants of dash, collusion or collision. So I gave you the answer. Collusion means what? Conspiracy. Now mini planets cannot do any conspiracy. Conspiracy is done by human beings. So this one is wrong. So right answer is collision. Collision means clash or accident. Okay, crash, clash, accident, striking. This is called collision. So B, in the first one, B is correct. Next. As a result, many asteroids are just piles of broken rubble held together by their own weak gravity. So they are just piles of broken rubble. Look at these. Okay, and they are held together by their weak gravity. So the gravity is also weak, about 1 million times more dash than the gravity we feel here on Earth. So here we are talking about weak gravity. So this gravity is about 1 million times more dash than the gravity we feel here on Earth. So this gravity is about 1 million times weaker, than the gravity we feel here on Earth. Okay, so feeble means weak. Okay, and futile means something that is useless, something that does not give you any result, fruitless. Okay, so here feeble must come, about 1 million times more feeble, that is more weak. Next, so this one, how do we know feeble is the answer? From here, our keyword is here, weak gravity. Okay, so here weak must come. Next, untangling the eventual or eventful history of solar system is easier with asteroids. Now your first one is B, next one is A. First one is B, next one is A, first one B, next one A. Okay, so you are left with these 2 options. Untangling the eventual or eventful history of solar system is easier with asteroids because they are unsullied envoys from those turbulent early times. So untangling means what? Untangling means untangling the dash history means decoding the history or understanding the dash history of solar system. So what kind of history it is? Eventual means what? Final history. Now history cannot be final, right? History cannot be final. History can be lively. History can be full of interesting events, and you see solar system is full of interesting events. So the right answer is eventful, not eventual. Okay, eventful. So BAP, option E is your right answer. Okay, so here I will end the session. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. Please share the video with your friends, and also please write down in the comments below if you would like a session on any particular topic. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.